Dear students, as you know, we have been having a look at the passive, so now we are going to put it into action. One of the best ways to do that is by means of news. So let's see how we can talk about news. Here you are, our first image. What is that? Well, it is said that the painting The Scream by Munch has been sold for $120 million. Apparently, this painting was bought by a millionaire. Or it must have been bought by a millionaire. It is believed that this painting was sold last Wednesday in New York in an auction at Sotheby's. It seems that 7 people were interested in the painting, which started at $40 million. And I can tell you that this is apparently the most expensive painting that has ever been sold. I don't know if you know it, but the second most expensive painting was made by Picasso and was sold for only $106 million in 2010. As you can see, we have been going through the WH questions. What, who, where, when, how, and so on and so on. Let's see another example. You know what this is? Well, some years ago, a Spanish electric company, Transportadora de Electricidad, seems to have been nationalized. Okay? This was done by the Bolivian government in Bolivia, and when this piece of news came out, that was 2 days ago. It is believed that apparently after the Spanish company Repsol had also been nationalized there, the international image of Spain has really been affected by this, and Spain has lost power, so that Bolivia thought it was not a problem to take over another Spanish company. Can you believe it? And finally, our last piece of news. As you saw, I also went through all the WH questions, and it has been discovered that being bilingual is beneficial for your brain, including having more attention to sounds. This has been found out by experts in an English university in England some weeks ago. This was found out some weeks ago. How was this done? Well, apparently 48 volunteers were analyzed doing different tests, and it was discovered that 23 of them were bilingual and could listen to things with more attention and could even avoid the noise that the others couldn't. It is true that although we have known this for a long time, it has only been recently that this has been demonstrated scientifically. And I don't know if you know it, but if you are a musician, you are supposed to have similar benefits too. So, as you can see, these have been 3 examples of how to talk about a piece of news in English using passive. Now, I am expecting your own pieces of news. Come on, let's do it!